7 stocks to buy non-stop. Have you noticed how everyone is panicking about the market again? But while others are selling in fear, the smart investors, the ones who build real wealth, are quietly buying. Inflation, interest rates, tech layoffs, it's all over the news. Today, we're looking at 7 powerful stocks to buy and hold through 2025 and 2026, no matter what the headlines say. These are long-term, wealth-building assets that could position you ahead of 99% of investors when the next bull run begins. Number 1. Microsoft. Everyone talks about flashy new AI startups, but Microsoft quietly owns the infrastructure. They're not just investing in OpenAI, they're embedding AI into every product, from Office to Azure. In 2025, most companies using AI will likely be paying Microsoft for it. That means recurring income, stability, and growth. Number 2. Nvidia. Position you ahead of 99% of investors when the next bull run begins. Love it or hate it, Nvidia is the heart of the AI revolution. Every major data center, self-driving car, and AI lab depends on their chips. The stock has been volatile, but it dominates over 80% of the AI GPU market. When everyone else is cutting back, Nvidia is still building the picks and shovels of the digital gold rush. Number 3. Alphabet, Google. They've faced heavy competition, but don't underestimate them. They've launched Gemini, they're expanding YouTube, and they still control search, Android, and Google Cloud. When the panic fades, long-term investors will remember, cash flow and data dominance always win. Number 4. Visa. Whether it's Apple Pay, crypto cards, or online banking, Visa takes a small cut from billions of daily transactions. As the world moves cashless, Visa becomes an invisible toll booth collecting money every second. It's not flashy, but it's unstoppable. Number 5. Prologis. Forget office towers, warehouses are the new gold mines. Prologis owns and rents logistics spaces used by Amazon, DHL, and global e-commerce giants. As online shopping grows, companies need more storage and faster delivery hubs. This is real estate that pays dividends and grows with the digital economy. Number 6. Johnson & Johnson. Number 3. Alphabet, Google. When the market crashes, people still need medicine. Johnson & Johnson is an anchor, consistent dividends, steady growth, and long-term trust. While risky tech stocks fall 30%, Johnson & Johnson quietly compounds year after year. Number 7. Berkshire Hathaway. When in doubt, follow the billionaires. Warren Buffett's company owns Apple, Coca-Cola, insurance, energy, and railroads. You're not betting on one stock, you're buying into decades of proven wisdom and diversification. These 7 investments reflect 3 timeless truths. Own companies with strong cash flow. Focus on long-term growth industries like AI, health, and infrastructure. And most importantly, stay invested. Wealth is built by time in the market, not timing the market. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps more people discover investing insight and join our growing community of wealth builders. Comment below which of these 7 stocks you believe has the biggest potential in 2025 and 2026. Your opinion might even inspire our next video. Warning disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a licensed